Hello, this is Avinash. Today we'll look into the second experiment in Web Technology Lab. So in this experiment, we have to create a web page like this. So which has a heading like this, and then all the hyperlinks given over here, and then a video which will be directly linked from the internet, and then there is a register one, and then my contact details. So we have to use the table to design it in a very appropriate and very eye-pleasing way. So this is the final website. So now we'll look at the code first. So this is the code. Here I've also used CSS, but then we are not supposed to use it, but then I just use it for the header because I wanted it to be in a oval shape. In the corners I wanted it to be in a curved shape, in a soft edge shape, so I use the CSS for that. So here as usual we'll give the HTML tag and then head, and then the name of the title will be given, and then I close the head and I come to the body. Here we have to link CSS. So whenever we are linking a CSS, whenever you are creating and you want to use that CSS in your HTML, you have to make sure that we have to link that CSS to our HTML file. So after that, I've given a header and then table. So inside this table we'll give everything, because we want to divide the web page in such a way that we don't want any unaligned places. So we have to align it in a proper way. For that we have to use tables. So for that we give width equals to 100, and then I've started tr, and that is given in paragraph. So the table row has been given, and here I've created a class called avi, because in the my CSS I want to use that class. So for that when you want to use some functionality, suppose when you want to give a separate functionalities to one paragraph, you have to create a class called avi, and then you can, or id, and you can use that in CSS. And you can use that in CSS by giving dot class or ampersand id. So here we have given a class call, and then I'll align it properly, and then at the logo and everything I got it from here, because the logo and everything is already in my site root. I just got the logo here, and then I close the table here because it's only for the header. So I'll close the header now. Now again I'll open another table with width 100, and now here give all the values what I want. So Google, Yahoo, Gmail, and I've given the values. So those are Google, Yahoo, Gmail. So those values are over here. And after that I give a table, because welcome to the training. So this content I have given it over here, and then I've give width is equals to 50. So when I give width is equals to 50, suppose this is a web page, the left part is 50 and the right part is 50. So I give width is equals to 50 and padding is equals to 1 px. So then all the data will be aligned properly. And after that audio controls, here I have given the there is an audio over here. So here I have given the audio also. I downloaded it, and then I just got the src from here. I copy pasted it in my site root, and then I use the same one over here. And after that I use iframe, something called iframe, because I want to use this video. So whenever you want to use an online video, you want to link an online video to your website, what we have to use is we have to use iframe, and then we have to give the src, so which would get the data from the website, and then it will help us to play the video in our website. So after that I give another table in which I give all the style, and then align it properly, my contact details and everything. This is all about contact details. I give proper heading, room number, h3 accordingly. I'll give everything. And after that there is another column called register here. For that I have created something called form, because like whenever you give form, it will create a box, something like that. And then on that I've given the name for the form, that is register here. And then I use something called legend for that. Whenever I use legend, it will stop the line, it will break the line over there, and then it will write the name what you want to put for that. And after that I'll just close the form, and then I'll align it properly, and then I close the table, and then I close everything. I close the HTML tag. So this is the website which I've created with that. So if you want, we can run the website. So yeah, so the same website, right? So it has been compiled and executed successfully. Thank you.